Introducing the Lantec proprietary auto feed configuration feature, an innovative solution designed to streamline network management and maintenance. Auto feed configuration ensures that after a switch replacement, the new device automatically receives the configuration specific to its installation location without manual intervention. Our switches periodically communicate with neighboring switches, backing up essential information and configurations.